Okay, guys, that's the top of the hole, so you can see there. And I'm looking at the wall, and you might notice there's a line there that goes down, 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 right? And it's actually a fault. It's a fault line. And it flattens out a bit here, which means it's going that way, it's going down and then that way. So the high side is on the back of us, as I think you can see there. Yeah, you can see that a little bit there. You see that part there, and then up there, the same part. So it's moved, but what's significant about the faults is that has to do with the opalization. So, you know, whilst that is important, those are tree roots that you see there. They're several meters down, but they're actually tree roots. And there's tree root there, and that's what we call the white nuts there. They are actually what they called, the old timers called as being angel stone, like that. It's very hard. It's almost, it is actually opalized. It's porcelainite, so it's heavy opalized. And sometimes we get beautiful opal in that. But this time I can't see any. Okay, so we'll go down a bit further. I've got to undo my cable, it always curls up a bit. So let's go down a bit further. Okay, there's water in there, which is going to take a long time to dry out actually, the water down there. But have a look here, guys, look at that. We're about 6 meters down, 18 feet. In other words, roughly 18-20 foot. And we've got tree roots coming out. All right, they're coming out to say hello to us, so to speak, but they're coming through pipes, through faults, through movements there that you can see. You know, and it's actually warm down here, and there's another fault coming in here, which you can see there, that's another fault. There's two faults actually here, or they double back. You can see the line, that's a fault. And it comes in here and actually goes the other way. These faults are splitting, so to speak, right? So, and there's some more tree roots here, as you see. And an insect as well, or what do you know? And you can see the fault up there. Okay, I want to get down a bit further. I'm very close to it now, to where I want to dig, I think. Or not? Let me see. These are what we call porcelainite nuts. All right. There's the fault. Now we'll go down to where, when we drilled, we recorded some potch and colour. That means opal, there's potch, and a little bit of colour. So we'll have a look there. I got some colour here the other day, and we'll have to decide which one we're going to have a go at. Okay, so there's a fault again. It's still there with us, and it's going down further. And we're down about, at the moment, well, we're about 10 meters, 10, 11 meters down.